how to contribute to our country. If I'm staying in my home only, I'm do nothing for any work or job or nothing. Still, how can I contribute to my country for that development? That is my question. As a housewife, I think time is over.
Yes, 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 yes. So,
Otherwise, I have to ask to one housewife for this question. She
oh,
has to say something.
oh,
My country development
Okay,
नाबूद
stop. संजय भाई, now 7 बजने को आए हैं और let's welcome to all. So, how to welcome today?
Okay.
Who would like to tell us how to welcome? First, we have 1 minute.
My country develop is corruption
संजय
नाबूद
भाई,
ना हो के
संजय
जी
भाई,
जी यस
आपको हम बाद में सुनेंगे, अभी सबको वेलकम करते हैं।
ओके
7 बज गए हैं। Okay, sorry for that. Yes, so let's clapping.
yes.
Say good morning.
गुड मॉर्निंग
Good morning.
Good
Good
morning.
morning.
Good morning.
Good
Good
morning,
morning, all of you.
Payal.
Good
Good
morning.
morning.
Good morning.
Good
Niti.
morning.
Good
Good
morning.
morning.
Good morning.
Very
Good
good.
morning.
गुड मॉर्निंग
Good morning. बहुत लोग
अहल्या
क्लैपिंग नहीं कर रहे हैं।
मॉर्निंग
साइस्ता जी, good morning.
गुड मॉर्निंग
Mayuri Sabaya, good morning. Nitya, good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, yes.
Good morning, Jignesh sir, Rakesh sir.
नहीं नहीं
Good
बिन गुड
morning.
मॉर्निंग
Good morning, all of you.
Yes, Naresh, please mute to all. Yes. So, आज के जो हमारे लीडर है, मैं उनको इनवाइट करना चाहूंगा। Yes, Rakesh, over to you and welcome.
Side, so my video will remain off. And is that okay? I am
राकेश
taking
आप म्यूट पे थे, हमने सुना नहीं।
Okay, so there is some problem from my side, so the video will remain off for today.
Okay, no problem. Carry on.
Okay, so today we are going to discuss about English, and everyone will have to participate. You will have to tell us everything about English, like why do we not improve our English? What steps do we take to improve our English? मैं आपको थोड़ा हिंदी में एक्सप्लेन कर देता हूँ कि आज जो भी है कि हम डिस्कशन जैसा रख रहे हैं, जिसमें आप सबको 1 बाय 1 इंग्लिश के ऊपर बोलना है, इन इंग्लिश में ही बोलना है कि हमारी इंग्लिश क्यों इम्प्रूव नहीं होती है, इंग्लिश की क्या ज़रूरतें हैं आज के समय में, और हमें ऐसे कौन से स्टेप्स लेने चाहिए एज ए इंडिविजुअल, ताकि हम अपने इंग्लिश को और इम्प्रूव कर सके। इन शॉर्ट आपको पूरा इंग्लिश के ऊपर ही बोलना है, राइट? और हम ऐसी क्या-क्या चीज़ें करनी चाहिए और नहीं करते हैं, जिसकी वजह से हम अटक जाते हैं, ऐसी क्या-क्या चीज़ें आगे करनी चाहिए, एवरीथिंग इन शॉर्ट, लाइक so today we are going to discuss only English, and we will discuss that only in English. Whatever the improvements needed, I will correct, right? Okay, so who will speak first?
रैंडमली पकड़ते हैं ना। चलो
Yes.
पूनम से शुरू करते हैं। पूनम मेहता।
Okay. According to me, uh, first thing is confidence. If we are not
Okay.
if we are not confident about our language, then we
Hmm.
can't speak.
Okay.
If we know something not very well, then also we can't speak.
Hmm.
Our education system also dependent for this.
Hmm.
Gujarati, before of sometimes Gujarati as a subject is not required to very much learn. And then after that, in board exams, students uh, will be failed in a Gujarati subject.
Hmm.
That is our mother tongue. So that time, teachers are thinking the Gujarati is a very simple thing. Gujarati very simple language. That is the mother thing. Not focus or weightage on required, not weightage or focus on that subject. Everybody, every teachers and every students and every parents are focused on only three subjects: science, maths, and English.
Hmm.
Same like for this English. When students are coming in the 10th standard, they have to choose two subjects, Hindi or English. So why not both? Why not taking both subject as a subject only?
Okay.
That time, as per our family mentality, we are thinking if we are not good in English, then can't subject English. If we are taking the English subject in the board exam, we can't score in the result.
Hmm.
So just taking one subject Hindi, and that is the last year of learn to English. In my case, because I'm the example of that, uh, I I have studied only 5 years of English subject,
Hmm.
fifth to subject nine only. Sorry, study
Okay.
nine only, and just left the subject English in the 10th standard, and remaining the left. So that is my mistake. I don't taken again and learn again that as a English subject. So our sometimes our society thinking, our family thinking, and after that, if I don't know about that any English word, then I can't speak. That's why we can't speak English. That's it.
Okay. First of all, very good that you have not used any Hindi or Gujarati word and you have spoken so fluently. So this is a good thing. And yes, there were some grammatical as well as tense related errors. So you must improve those things. Otherwise, all the things were okay. And yes, we will speak next. Jignesh sir. Yes, C13 Nisarg Sangani.
Yes, sir.
Yes. What is the importance of English? What should we do to improve our English? What should what is necessary and we do not do to improve our English? Tell us.
I think English is a very important language because in foreign countries, English is the mother language. So when we go to foreign countries, we need to speak English. And
Hmm.
if then we go to foreign countries and don't we can't speak the English. We don't talk with each other, and we will have to
Very good.
have a
Carry on.
translator. And English we have to improve.
How can we improve here in India? Let's talk about the real situation. What should we do
by
here?
by teaching each other and talking with each other.
Okay, but why do we not talk? You know that, right? Okay, if we will talk to each other in English, we can improve our English. But why do we not do that? What is the problem in doing that?
Because in India many people are not able to speak English because they don't learn English. They learn their mother languages like Marathi, Gujarati, Tamil. That's why they do not speak the English.
Yes, but there are so many people who can speak in their mother tongues as well as in Hindi and as well as in English. Then why not us?
Because we want to learn English. That's why we have speak in English.
But why is Nisarg not speaking in English? What is the problem? What should Nisarg do to improve his English?
We have to learn English from classes and learning.
Mm.
Then he would he should able to
Yes,
read
but
and speak.
Nisarg has already joined the class, right?
Yes,
Then what is the problem? You do not have to worry, dear. I am asking so that you can ask yourself and speak, right? आप सबको बोल रहा हूँ मेरे क्वेश्चन से वो हर्ट होने की चिंता करने की या ऐसा वो ईगो वाली कोई बात नहीं है मैं आपसे सवाल इसलिए पूछ रहा हूँ ताकि आप अपने आप से सवाल करके अंदर से उस जवाब को खोज निकाल सके और उसको इंग्लिश में एक्सप्लेन कर सके राइट सो दैट्स व्हाई आई एम आस्किंग yes yes Nisarg okay very good effort and you have also spoken very well just I just my suggestion is that listen to more and more videos because your frequency your fluency is very good but yes there are many grammatical mistakes okay okay who is
Yes.
next
Daksha raise hand. Yes, Daksha.
yes Daksha
आप म्यूट पे हो. Yes.
Hello.
yes you are audible now
Nowadays, English is very important language because
oh,
we
yeah.
need, because we have nowadays basic necessity to speak English. We need it in job, teaching child. If we go outside of our state, we have to speak English. For improvement of English, we need more and more reading, listening video, and start speaking.
Oh.
I think we have to read at least 15 or 30 minutes loudly in one room and opposite a mirror. So we can improve very well our English. And also we have to watch nowadays YouTube is very useful facility for us to listen English. Before 10 year, 11 year, we have not such a facility to listening. Now we can listen video very well from YouTube. So if we want to improve our English language, we have to start spoke it and without any sharam kind.
Hesitation.
Without any hesitation, we have to start.
Okay.
That.
So yes,
Hmm.
you have told us about all the steps which are required to improve our English. But what are the barriers? Why do we do not take those steps? We all know that if we will do these things, we will be able to improve our English. But why do we do not? Why do we do not do that?
We don't try.
We do not try.
We
But
don't.
why?
Because we think if we speak wrongly, if someone else laugh on us, that's why we can't try also.
Okay.
We have to try for that.
Okay. So we there are so many steps which should be taken, but we do not take those steps because we think that people will make fun of us, right? People will make joke on us, or that's why we stop. Okay, so this is the lesson for everyone, that if we want to learn, we will have to we will have to put all these things aside, right?
We have
Am
to
I right?
take all these steps.
Yes.
Nobody can help us without our trying.
Okay, nobody can help us except us, right? EXCEPT, accept us. Only we can help ourselves. Nobody can. Yes. So this is a lesson for everyone, that without hesitation or without thinking about others, we will start thinking, we will start listening, we will start reading, and we will start writing. Okay, very good, Daksha. You are speaking very good. Your grammatical mistakes were very less, but you will have to improve your speed, right?
Yes.
Like, because you were stopping to find words, or to you were thinking that I should not make any grammatical mistakes. So you for correcting or to speak proper English, you were stopping or you were thinking. So that is also good. That is not a problem. But to fill those gaps, we will have to listen more and more. So the words will coming into the mind, our mind, very fast.
Okay. Thank you,
Okay,
sir.
very good. Who is next?
Yes, Mayank. Mayank Kalsaria.
हाँ sir.
Mangal.
Nobody can deny the importance of English language in the present time as a global language. It is clear that English language has become more dominant around the world. In some
Are you
countries,
reading? Are you reading from something somewhere?
no sir.
Okay. Why is your video off?
सर यहाँ पे नेट नहीं चल रहा.
Okay.
It is used as the mother tongue, and in other countries it is taught as second language in their schools. This makes English widespread.
What is it is taught? What is the meaning of taught? What is the spelling?
THAUGST. Thought.
THAU. It is taught. So what is the meaning of taught?
Vichar.
Okay, you have told that it is taught as a mother tongue in other countries, right?
Yes.
So what is the meaning of that in Hindi or Gujarati?
मतलब कि वो लोग दूसरे कंट्री के लोग उसकी मदर टंग में विचारते हैं, इंग्लिश में नहीं.
ओके, taught TAUGST का जो मीनिंग है वो होता है थिंक, होता है ना, THINK, सॉरी TEACH, राइट, उसका वो पास्ट पार्टिसिपल है. सिखाना. ओके, कैरी ऑन.
सर हो गए.
Okay, so what step do Mayank take to improve his English? Why is Mayank not speaking fluently in English? Mayank, am I audible?
हाँ सर.
Okay. So Mayank, what is the problem? Why do you not speak English fluently? What stops you? Any idea? Mayank, are you there?
Yes,
हाँ
Mayank.
सर.
Okay, no problem, Mayank. Be online and listen to the things which all the participants are saying. Okay.
Okay sir.
Okay, very good.
Yes, Rakesh, can I add something?
Yeah, sure. Why not?
Okay. तो जो बाकी in my opinion, improve our English, we should listen carefully. हमें सुनना चाहिए, right? तो यहाँ पे जो लोग बोल रहे हैं ना, बाकी पार्टिसिपेंट्स उनको ध्यान से सुने कि और ऑब्जर्व करें. इसने टू नहीं बोला, यहाँ पे टू होना चाहिए. इसने ये नहीं बोला, यहाँ पे ये होना चाहिए. इसने यहाँ पे हैव टू लगाया तो वो नहीं होना चाहिए, राइट? तो वो इंग्लिश सुनने से भी आएगी. तो बाकी पार्टिसिपेंट को लग रहा होगा कि यार हम सुन रहे क्या है, क्या हमारा नंबर नहीं लग रहा है या XYZ. तो डोंट डू अदर थिंग और सुनिए, राइट? और ऑब्जर्व कीजिए. यस, नेक्स्ट किसको लेते हैं? दर्शना सोरठिया. Yes, Darshana.
Yes, sir. First of all, I have no confidence to
Just a
speak in
second,
English.
Darshana. Just a second.
Yes,
This
sir.
is for everyone. आप, मैं
हम्म.
जो सेंटेंस बोलता हूँ उसका इंग्लिश आप चैट में लिखिए. मैं इंग्लिश बोल सकता हूँ या मैं इंग्लिश बोल सकती हूँ, इसका ट्रांसलेशन आप सब चैट में लिखिए. तब तक हम दर्शना से बात करते हैं. यस दर्शना.
Yes, sir.
यस,
I
कैरी
am.
ऑन.
I am very fierce to speak English. My words are wrong, true, and our background, our surrounding environments is not like that. All people also known as Gujarati in Hindi, but many people sometimes known as English. Not everyone. So I am not improve my language, but sometimes I watch videos and
Hmm.
I have listening English videos. And
Okay.
first of all, I am fierce.
Okay.
My
So
heartbeat is very fast.
how will we eradicate or how will we remove that fear from you? What should we do to remove that fear?
Always speak in any times, any words, right or wrong, not thinking.
That is okay.
Mhm.
You know cooking, right?
Yes, sir.
Right. Have you made the round roti at the first attempt? Whenever you
Mhm. No,
make
sir.
made your first roti, was it
Mhm.
completely round?
No, sir.
Then now you can make,
They,
right?
I,
Even
yes.
with even with your folded eyes or even with the closed eyes, you can make the proper roti, right?
Mhm. Try and try, and then we'll make.
Yes, yes, definitely. So uh, remove that fear from you and just start speaking. Be confident that you can speak, right? There are so many people on the earth who have not gone to school for a single day and they also can speak,
Okay.
right? So improve. And it is very good that you have spoken at least 7 to 8 lines in English. This is also a very good thing. Now you tell us yourself that if I can speak at least 7 8 lines without using any English or Gujarati in Hindi or Gujarati words, I can speak more also. Why not?
Yes, sir.
So very good. And one
Thank
more
you.
thing for everyone. I have listened to all the parties, most of the participants, 3 to 4 participants right now, and many of the participants are uh, many of the participants believe that the surrounding is responsible for not speaking English. Means they are they do not able to speak English because of the surrounding, because of the culture, because of the education system, because of the relatives, because of the atmosphere, etc., etc., etc. If you will believe that all these things are responsible, you will never learn. First of all, blame yourself only that you are responsible for all these things. If you will decide that you want to speak, then you will speak. Otherwise, for whole life, you will blame the surrounding, you will blame your relatives, you will blame your culture, you will blame your atmosphere, and the atmosphere is not going to change. Are you all thinking that the atmosphere will sudden in 1 hour, 2 hour, or 24 hours? No, the surrounding is going to remain the same for centuries, and your life is only now for maximum 100 years. And in within this 60, 70, or 80 years, there is not going to change dramatically everything. This is going to remain the same. The nature of your relatives is going to remain the same, right? The atmosphere besides you is not going to change suddenly. Everything will change periodically. It will take at least 100 years, 200 years, 300 years. So after 300 years, are you going to speak English? No. And with the same surroundings, with the same culture, with the same atmosphere, with the same relatives, there are so many people who speak English very fluently. Why? If the surrounding is responsible, if the atmosphere is responsible, if the relatives are responsible, then they also should have the same problem. But the people who are speaking English do not have these problems. They are speaking very fluently. So first of all, accept that you are responsible. Nobody is. This is for everyone. आप ही जिम्मेदार है, आपको इंग्लिश नहीं आती है उसके लिए, और कोई जिम्मेदार नहीं. Okay, okay. Who is next?
Yes, Ajay Chudasama.
Yes, this time English is a very important language because world third most speaking language, three and fourth is Indian Hindi language. 13 million speaking English. So important is English.
Yeah,
And I am take a stance speak in English with my friend. My friend is speaking very well in English. So I can conversation with them with his. And I am sometime I am Vile, so I can create very funny conversation in English. Like my
Very good.
English is a very ladkhadaing and this type.
Now, what steps will Ajay take to improve his English?
I am watching a YouTube video in English subtitle likes, and I am sometime I am see in Sony Live English subtitle and English speaking person who he speak in English. I am understanding everything, but I cannot speak very well English, so I can try to speak in English.
Okay, before watching videos on YouTube or in Sony Live app, how was your English and how is your English now?
Improvement is a no sir. I can see YouTube videos and Sony Live apps, so I can change my English speaking. I can speak some English word and I can speak very well.
Yes, but the improvements are there, right? Before
Yes,
you have started watching videos, uh,
yes,
right? Your English was not so fluent like this before you
yes,
have,
yes,
and now as you have started watching videos and Sony Live application, you are confident a little bit about your speaking.
yes, yes,
Right now, you are also speaking in front of at least 60 participants.
yes.
Okay. So, what further steps will you take?
Uh, I am one foreigner. I am found one foreigner, and I am speak them.
Okay. How will you do that?
In social media I am found one friend in US, German, whenever he speak very well I am conversation with them, so I can understood I am speaking very well or not.
Okay. Okay. Very good. Okay. Thank you, Ajay. That's great. And
Thank you, sir.
you have improved your listening. But my suggestion is you should also improve your reading.
Yes,
If reading will also be improved, you will get new words, you will get new ideas, right?
yes, yes,
So this is also necessary. Otherwise, it's okay. Very good. Start
yes.
speaking. Keep speaking.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Who is next?
सृष्टि झालावाड़िया को लेंगे. And Rakesh, we should also, I want to share one thing. Before some days, I have one call from the Videocon company. तो कई बार ऐसे ऑफर्स के कॉल आते रहते हैं. तो I start in English and they suddenly put the phone. मैं बोला भाई इंग्लिश ही समझ सकता हूँ, उसके अलावा मैं समझ नहीं सकता हूँ. तो उन्होंने फिर फोन रख दिया. तो विच इज गुड आइडिया. आपके पास दिन में 1 और 2 कंपनी के फोन आते ही है. आप चालू करो आपकी भाषा में. या यस सृष्टि. Srushti Jalavadia, are you there? Yes, Srushti. Yes, Silpa Virani.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Nowadays, English is very necessary in our lives because of some job opportunity and go to outside, kids studies, so and so. That's why we improve our English.
Hmm.
First one, I want to say, don't be afraid of making mistakes. Otherwise, we can't speak in English. Then,
Shilpa, for a
first of
second.
yes,
Hello.
sir. Yes, sir.
Just a second. Everyone, there is another question. आपके लिए एक सवाल है.
Yes,
चैट
sir.
लिखेंगे आप सब. There are 58 participants. आप सब चैट में लिखेंगे. Who is responsible? आपको इंग्लिश नहीं आती है, उसके लिए कौन रिस्पॉन्सिबल है? आप सब चैट में लिखेंगे. Who is responsible for not speaking yourself, right? मतलब आप अपने आप से इंग्लिश नहीं बोल पा रहे, उसके लिए कौन रिस्पॉन्सिबल है? आप चैट में लिखेंगे. ये शिल्पा, कैरी ऑन.
We are responsible for it
Very good.
because
Not we are. I am responsible.
yes, sir. Yes, I am responsible.
Yes.
First
So
one, we start to speak English in our family.
hmm,
For example, I want to. Sorry, I speak English with my husband and my baby girl,
hmm,
and I watch movies and news in English.
hmm,
It's very important to improve my English.
hmm,
We should learn new vocabulary
hmm,
so that we can use new words in
hmm,
our speaking.
hmm,
We should read and listen
hmm,
more and more and loudly
hmm.
so that
Loudly means can you give us an example?
yes, sir.
Yes, give us.
Yes. Repeat, sir.
Yes, you told us that we should speak loudly,
Yes.
right? So
Yes.
can you speak any sentence loudly? Can you give an example?
For example, sir, you have already given homework. So I make some sentences that related to our lives, and I speak loudly in
Hmm.
front of mirror. That's why
If you are
I
not
use my
comfortable, then it's okay. Otherwise, you take care
no,
of
sir,
yourself.
no, sir. I want to say
Okay, okay.
that increases my confidence.
Wow.
Okay, sir. And I have one friend who is speaking at least 10 minutes with me daily.
Wow. That is also great.
Yes, sir. He has a good speaking in English. He had a good